There's this channel called Auto Shop Therapy, and the guy's name is Joshua Coombs. He's got a shop somewhere in America, and he posts these long videos about what the hell's going on in his shop. And I was messaging him, and I was like, I think I'm gonna make videos like you. But then I was like, I don't have anything that seemingly interesting to talk about. Well, his stuff is interesting because he's usually going through. I'm so far in me watching his content, he's usually going through the different technical issues he's having with cars, problematic customers, almost losing a finger while trying to hoist an engine out. But I guess, let's see, the grind. For me, it's really doing daily cold calls. I freaking hate doing cold calls, so it's been a massive mindset shift and trying to see it differently. I am not a salesperson by trade. Like, I've never done sales in my life, but when you're doing your own thing, it's like sales is the lifeblood of business. Like, I mean, frankly, it's the lifeblood of even like an auto repair business, because if you ain't selling anything, then you're not gonna be open for very long. And so, today, with the cold calls, it's kind of like a hit or miss kind of experience. Some days we really hit it off. Other days, it's like nobody gives a shit about what you have to say. And I'm not really trying to gripe or anything, but I'll say the one thing that's really made a difference is like building our brand. And it's not like building our brand through like a website. It's not building a brand through like online advertising or anything like that. It's like literally building a brand by figuring out where are all of our people spending their time outside of work, which in this case, where our shop owners spending their time outside of the shop, and literally showing up to every event. If we see the event, we're there. Doesn't matter if it's like across the country on Zoom, just doesn't matter. And doing that consistently, I think over the last 2 years, we've probably, I'm just gonna give a really rough estimate, but we've probably attended, I don't know, over the last 2 years, I'm giving a rough estimate, we've probably spent 120 days just going to these conferences, these meetings, these events, and that has actually been the most effective way for us to build our brand. And then the other thing is, like, obviously, like, if you're in the shop community, like Facebook groups, as much as shop owners talk shit about social media, they sure as hell love a good Facebook group. They're not in a shop owner Facebook group, they're in their city's Facebook group, responding to people asking for recommendations from a mechanic, and then them or their wives or an office manager is like, oh, use this shop, they're really good. Obviously it's biased because they're not an actual customer, but yeah, like Facebook groups specifically for the industry have been really fruitful. And I don't really know where I'm going with this, but my wife is waiting for me, so this is pretty much the end of this one. I don't know what I'm going to talk about next. We'll see.